Good afternoon, gentle friends. Welcome back to another day. So today for brunch, I am going to try one of the new products that I ordered from YAMI. I did an unboxing video yesterday. And one of the things that I had wanted to try was some rice cakes. Not the traditional way that we know them as like puffy rice cakes, but these are an Asian rice cake. And in this particular case, they're cut into little rounds. A lot of times they almost look like penne pasta. But in this particular case, this soup has them cut into discs. And this is a beef bone broth base. I haven't had this before, so my hands are not cooperating today. Trying to open the plastic. Okay, so from what I'm reading, I'm gonna treat this like an instant ramen, and so let's see what's in there. Okay, so these are the rice cakes themselves. And then it comes with a little spoon. There is a soup base, which is it's probably halfway between a liquid and a paste, so it's kind of squishy there. And then this is your dehydrated vegetables. So apparently I'm going to put all this in a bowl, fill that up to the water line, and let it sit for 2 minutes, I think. And then I'm going to add, I have half a can of chicken that I took Sandy down some chicken salad the other day. And so I have half a can of that left. I have some peppers that I cooked last night, some little green onion tops that I'm growing in the window, a wee little baby. This is a Bantam Chicken Egg from my farmer that I get my duck eggs from. I have some Kimchi seaweed snacks that I'm going to cut up into little strips to put on the top. And one of the fried shrimp potato sticks, which is just a little crunchy, snacky type thing. So, the only thing I need to do for this is you put boiling water in it and let it sit. And then I'll plate it all up, and that will be brunch. Welcome back for dinner. So tonight for dinner, I'm actually just going to do pretty much the same thing that I had last night for dinner, which is I'm going to do an Instant Pot artichoke. And these are some of the sweet potatoes that I cooked in the Instant Pot yesterday and just mashed up. It's just plain mashed sweet potato. There's not anything else in there. To the sweet potato tonight, I'm going to add some goat cheese crumbles. I have a bit left in there, so I've tracked 1/4 cup. I'll see what I've actually got left in there. I'm gonna have some French onion butter with the artichoke. I have some frozen peas that I took out the other day, and then I found these at Kroger on special. They are a turkey, lentil, feta cheese, and spinach meatball. And they are 140 calories for 3 meatballs. Let's see what we got. Okay, so that's what they look like. Huh, that's interesting. All right, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. 9 meatballs, but it says the serving size is 3 meatballs and there should be 3.5 servings per container. This is why you can't do that. So I'm guessing if I weighed them out, maybe 84 grams times 3. I don't know. But there are 9 in there. I think I'll do 6. and then we'll go from there. Let's see. So these I'm going to do in the air fryer. The artichoke will take 20 minutes in the Instant Pot, and these will take 20 minutes in the air fryer, so then everything will be ready at the same time.